1500 BC, hot and cold running water. 3,000 years before modern plumbing existed. The Minoan Palace of Knossos. Marble faucets with gold and silver fixtures. Terracotta pipes beneath the palace floors. Pressurized water systems that still work today. In 1800s, Europe had no indoor plumbing. Minoans had full bathroom suites 3 millennia earlier. Quote from archaeologist Angelo Mosso in 1907. Sewers still working after 4,000 years. Advanced hydraulic engineering with geometric precision. Knowledge that was completely lost for millennia. The Minoan civilization mysteriously vanished. Their plumbing techniques forgotten for 3,000 years. Tomorrow, the Roman Lycurgus cup. Ancient glass that changes colour using nanotechnology. Ancient tech that shouldn't exist. Subscribe for more.